Okay. So let's discuss about another flavor of the data structure, that is set. And we know the limitation of list, right? It is not good for searching purpose, and it is also not good for
Insertion.
no unique element, right? If you want to ensure you should have unique element, problem is there. I am again coming to the collection class hierarchy, right? So if you see collection class hierarchy, there was another ladder over here, tree, and there was some data structures. Could you please help me in that? Yes. So I'm going to make copy paste. Can you help me? Hmm? Mhm. Your answer should be how I can help you. You are not saying like that, okay? It's simply like you are going to help me. Hmm? Yeah, I feel like that. So in this, there is another ladder we can add, right? In tree, please. What? Anybody remember? There is a set interface. What this set does, similar to list, set has also some common property. Are you following me? So let's see what common property of set is. And then set has altogether concrete classes similar to array list, very linked list, vector. So what are the concrete class for set? Set is an interface. Clear? So we need to know the specialty of, help me, set. So in set, I'm going to talk about certain data structures. I'm going to talk about one of the implementation of set, that is HashSet. So HashSet is what, people? One of the concrete class. Fine. In coding there would be no change. I am telling you, you'll be surprised. Whatever coding you have done for list, same thing you can do. Similar thing you can do for. Please complete my sentence. Set. So here next one which I'm going to use is linked hash set. Linked hash set, right? And two more is there, and that is TreeSet. See, TreeSet is another data structures. Yeah. So we need to know when we should use hash set, when we should use linked hash set, and when we should use TreeSet, right? And I would like to write one more, that is concurrent concurrent, I think concurrent hash set. Let's talk on that, right? So let me check it. I'm just checking the name. Allow me. In this, where is my folder? That is collection. Concurrent. Simply this one. And it was introduced in which version of the JDK? You see 1.6. Okay. Yeah, this is the data structure which was introduced in 1.6. Last one is
Concurrent.
yeah, done. I'm going to write it. Concurrent skip list set. Oh my god, very boring name. How people can remember it? It's tough, right? To recall it. It's done. Do you have any query? Is clear? Done. Let's talk on that. So first of all, we should know what is the specialty in this. Yes, how it is special. Make sense? So I'm going to write all the points over here. People, first point about it. I'm just talking about general. It is dynamic. It is correct.
Yes.
Second, it uses hash code. Oh my God. Opposite to what?
List. List.
List. Hey, who can tell me what is the hash code? I forget it. Please tell me.
It's like an integer.
Yeah, your answer should be hash code is a unique number assigned to each and every object by the Java virtual machine, right? When you create an object inside the JVM assign a unique hash code to every object, right? So you tell me, I have object 1 and 2. Their hash code will be same or different? Different, right? Yesterday I was giving you the example for SSN number, right? You got a point? It should be
Yes.
unique, right? One person cannot have more than one SSN number. It uses hash code, does not allow what? Duplicate element. Please help me. What I said?
It does not allow duplicate element.
While array, while list allows. And fourth, 4 point, right?
So whatever was the importance of list, it is the advantage of sets or
It is dynamic. It uses hash code. It does not allow duplicate element. This is excellent for any guess? Search. Hello. I'm telling you, this is excellent for search. What do you mean by that? If you want to search one element into it, it will take constant time. Constant time means it doesn't matter how many elements you have. What is the complexity of search in general? Any guess?
big O and
Big O of 1. Big O of 1 is a mathematical term and it is known as constant time. Constant time means, hello, suppose you have to, you know what is the meaning of it? Meaning is suppose you have to eat bread, right? If I say if you have to eat one bread, how much time will take? You would say 1 minute, right? Are you following me? One bread, 1 minute. You got a point? Again, if I say if you need to eat 10 breads, right? Then how much time you will take? Again, you would say 1 minute. Oh, magic. Everything you are saying 1 minute. Its meaning is
constant
you are
time.
taking constant time. But in real life, it is not true. Okay. If you can eat one bread in 1 minute, 10 breads, you cannot eat in 1 minute, right? That's not true. That's fine. But you understand my intention?
Very clear.
Okay. Yeah. So if you can eat one bread in 1 minute, 10 breads in 1 minute, and 100 breads in 1 minute, means you are not human being. You are something else. Am I right? You got it, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We are going to learn interesting thing. HashSet, linked HashSet, TreeSet, right? You would say, Nagin, could you please write a program for HashSet? Okay, we'll come to the reason, right? Yeah. My dear friends, can you help me to write the program? Yes. Writing program is a cup of tea. Huh? You know copy paste, control C, control V, and it is just asking to name. I'm just going to say HashSet demo. Can you see my speed?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fully.
Yep. Really, really is nice, right? You have to always say, we are doing good job. You can motivate me, okay? Then what I need to do here, instead of array list, you can write here hash set. Nice. And left side, you can write set. That's it. You understand the syntax? Yeah. And
Yeah.
variable name could be anything, right? Here, the code is not going to change, right? You'll be surprised, right? Here, what you need to do? Help me. Here, you can give the name. This name is not looking nice, right? So you can write here set data. Are you with me?
Yes.
What about other thing?
Data.
Then here, I need your help. I'm just adding mango. Oh, you would say program is same? Yes, program is same. And only in this you cannot access random element, right? This get method is not available. Other thing is same. Can you see this? Can I use iterator? Yes. Can I use for loop, for each loop? Yes, we can do it, right? Oh, In coding, can you see the difference? No. Only array list is replaced by
HashSet.
HashSet and list is replaced by set.
What
It's
about
clear?
the
What about what?
duplicate element that you have at mango?
Yeah. That we'll see. That we'll see. Sajana, you understand the program? Or is too complex? You said again, you are not doing any great job. The same program you are writing. You are just making us fool. How? You say replace array list with set, has set, and by set. Simple. Yes, you know?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
to iterate the set? You would say again same as list. How to use for loop for it? Same as a list, right? No difference. But if you run your program, right? So if you see this dynamic, and I forget to mention one more important point, right? I don't know how I forget it. It is not ordered opposite to the list. List is ordered, am I right?
Yes.
The order in which it is not ordered. Yes? Yeah. People reply. Let me make it beautiful. It's looking very bad. I'm just making one more box. The box should be bigger. My dear friends, you would say set seems to be little bit opposite. Opposite to what? List, right? Whatever in the list is there is just opposite, right? So what was the data structure we wrote earlier here? Anybody remember? Concurrent, skip, hmm,
Oh yeah. Concurrent.
list set. Mhm. Nice. Clear? So, what is the specialty of it? If you run this program, right, I am adding apple mango, but when you add mango again, it won't be go. Duplicate element, it does not allow. Can you run it and see the output? What will print, man? Apple, mango, guava, banana, grapes. That's it. Mango will not come multiple times. Shall I run it and show you?
Yes.
Another thing is, you cannot see order, right? The order you are adding apple, mango, guava, banana, grapes, right? In this order, when you are retrieving it, element will not come in that order. Let me run it and hence prove. You know how to run the program? Yes, right click on it, Java application. So people see. So
Wow.
here mango is coming only once because set says, hey, I cannot take duplicate element. And you see order, you added apple first, mango, guava, but order, you see elements are coming in random order. You cannot predict the order of it. I hope you understand. Set. You would say, yeah, set, I understand. It seems like similar to list, but condition is it does not allow duplicate element. And when you retrieve the element, order is not fixed. If you got that much, say I got it. Otherwise, say I don't understand.
You got it.
Got it. Okay. Somebody saying my requirement is order should be maintained. I want order. I cannot compromise with order at all. Let me tell the requirement. I need a data structure which is dynamic and it should not allow duplicate element, but order is important, right? In that case, you can use another data structure on top of it that is called a linked HashSet. So what is the difference between linked HashSet and HashSet? Only one difference is there. What?
Order.
Linked HashSet?
Order has order.
Where's one? Give me a second. Give me sake. This one. I should copy paste this, right? Copy, copy, and here you can paste it. I'm not doing great job. Simple. Can you see this? Eh, again, I did mistake, I guess. No problem. In that much time, I can write it. Not a big deal. I'm going to write HashSet. Link the HashSet, right? Let's do that. Link the HashSet. Hmm? Yeah. And here you have to write set. Same program, right? Only difference is instead of writing HashSet, I'm using linked HashSet. Makes sense to you? But when
Yes.
you add mango, 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 it will allow only once.
Wow.
But what is the specialty in this compared to HashSet? Order will be maintained. I can show you. The order in which you add the element in the same order, you will retrieve it. Can you see this? Apple, mango, guava, banana, and grapes. If you got it, say I got it. Otherwise, I don't understand.
So,
Got it.
so is it always good to use linked HashSet instead of the regular one?
No, no. Actually, if order is not important, I would say use HashSet because it is more costlier in terms of operation and memory.
Mhm.
You tell me, if you purchase some card, depend on the model, so you have to pay money, right? You have to pay cost as per the model. Yes, you know, which model you want to purchase. Why you, yeah, which model you want to buy. So you tell me why we need to pay more money if you go for a higher model in the car.
Maybe it has more
They have
features.
more features.
Yeah, because of features. So same thing is true here, right? So blindly we should not use anything, right? You should have reason behind it. If you don't need order is not required, right? For you, it is not requirement for you. Better to use
HashSet.
HashSet. I hope you got it right.
Yeah.
Because when you write some code and if you're writing using some data structure, people will ask question. Why you're using linked HashSet? Why you are not using HashSet? You should have reason behind it. Okay, cool. So hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Like what is the default capacity? 16. You have to remember it. For list it was, for array list it was 10. Linked list it was 0, right? Vector it was 10. But for linked hash set and for hash set it is 16. Can you remember it? Yeah, you got it. So you understand hash set, you understand linked hash set. Anybody have any question, any confusion so far?
No, sir.
Sajna, what about you?
I'm good.
Okay. Next thing which I'm going to talk about is, help me, TreeSet, right? TreeSet. Oh my God. TreeSet have only one feature that is important. What feature in TreeSet is TreeSet? Sir, TreeSet says I have only one extra feature. I will not allow duplicate element. That's fine. But whatever element you will add over here, I will store in sorted order. Sorted. Are you following me? It will store element in the sorted order. Of course, it will remove the duplicacy, all that, but all the element will be in the sorted order. Sorted order means when you print it, first of all, apple will be printed, then banana, then grapes, then guava, and last mango. Can I try?
Oh, you mean
Eh,
alphabet?
Yeah. Actually, sorting means it is going to be short lexicographical sorting, dictionary sorting. You know it. Lexicographical. Okay. And what is the capacity of it? It is internally based on the node. As a linked list, its capacity is 0. Got it? If somebody would say what is the default capacity of TreeSet, answer is 0 because it is based on node internally. But it is stored data in the sorted form lexicographically. If you allow to me, can I run it and show the output to you? Reply. Apple, banana, grapes. You see guava and grapes, right? Which one is higher as per the lexicographical sorting? Guava, right? R and U. You know it, right? Dictionary sorting. And mango. So guys, you tell me, do you understand difference between hash set, linked hash set and TreeSet?
Yes, sir.
Hash set does not maintain the order. Linked hash set maintain the order. TreeSet store data in the sorted form. Sorting, right? Last but not least. What? Concurrent. If you got confused, let me know. Concurrent. Skip. List set them. So you should say again. I cannot remember this name. This name seems to be very boring. Yes, you know.
Yes.
Concurrent. Concurrent. It's not coming. Misspelling mistake. That's why. No. Can you see this? Yes. Oh, hey, what about syntax, right? I just want to see the capacity. Its capacity is also, I don't know. Its capacity is also, I'm telling you, its capacity is also 0. How I came to know? I know. Program is same, right? If you run this program, right? See the output of it first. After that, I will tell you. I'm running it. I'm running it. In this program, you see apple, banana, grapes, guava, mango, right? It seems like TreeSet. Yes, you know. People, you are not replying. This is similar to TreeSet. Yes, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let me write it. This is similar to TreeSet, but only difference is this is similar to TreeSet. Hey, what is the difference? Difference is it is synchronized. This is if you are you want to use this data structure TreeSet only for one thread, we should use TreeSet. But if you want it should be used by multiple thread, then we should use. So I would say it is synchronized, right? Synchronized. Got it? Done. I have done with this. This synchronization thing will be more clear when I will teach you multi-threading. I have done with set. Clear? Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you one of the very important and interesting concept which is used everywhere, right? And everybody get confused. And this would be one of the most frequently asked question. Okay. Let's try. Okay. I'm going to. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a class. Fruit, dog. What you want to make?
Fruit.
Dog. Oh, fruit. You like fruit? Let me a class fruit. And every fruit would have integer fruit ID, right?
Yeah.
And integer float, price, and color. I want to just keep this much, okay? And as per the rule, right? Somebody asking questions. Please, you ask question first. After that, I can teach.
You said interesting topic, but you never said the topic. So
Okay, what topic is very nice. Actually, in interview, there is a question. What is the hash code? What is the equals method? When we should override hash code? When we should override equals method? Right? This is one of the important thing. And if you Google it, you will get everywhere. Okay. So let's try to understand that concept. Hash code and equals method. Now it's clear?
yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. 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 Can I make it private? Why? Because attribute should be private. Who says attribute should be private? Any guess? Don't say Nagin says. Okay. Please, who says? Answer is encapsulation. Oh man, you know encapsulation?
Yeah.
Encapsulation is the concept which ensure your attribute must be protected from outside the class. How is possible? A, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is a mechanism through which you can bind or combine or you can keep together attribute and behavior all together. How you achieve it in Java? Class. So can I say class is a basis of encapsulation in Java?
Yeah.
Basis of encapsulation in Java. Hey, who can tell me what is encapsulation? Who will tell me? You would say encapsulation is a technique through which you can group attribute and behavior of a class or of an object all together in a single unit, and that is called class name. So how you achieve encapsulation in Java with the help of class keyword? Is it right? Yeah. And can I say class also, encapsulation also protects its attribute from outside the world. If you make it private, anybody can access it outside the class.
No.
No. It's
So
only
how you are imposing all this rule using which concept?
encapsulations.
Encapsulation. So encapsulation definition is clear. Answer is encapsulation is a paradigm. Encapsulation is a mechanism. Encapsulation is a way through which you can group attribute and behavior of an object within a single unit. Encapsulation also protects its attribute to access outside the world. Nice. You got the definition or you have to mug it?
We
You
got
got
it.
it. Okay.
No,
So what
don't mug it. Don't mug it.
is
Who is
behavior
saying
of
mug it?
you know
No.
what?
Simple. You should, when somebody asks question to you, you should talk like you have 20 years of experience, right? You should have that kind of attitude. Honestly, I'm telling you. Done. What is encapsulation? Who will answer to me? Encapsulation.
Where you bind your attributes and
Attributes.
its behavior so that other class can't access to it.
No, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I said if you
Can it-
make private, then
No.
attribute cannot be accessed outside the class. That is one of the benefit of encapsulation. Second, I said using encapsulation, you can group attribute and behavior within a class. Grouping, right?
Yeah.
Let me
Yes.
show you. Fruit, fruit has a behavior, right? Method. What method? Eat, right? And here you can write, hey, don't eat me. No? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Don't eat me, please. Who is
Yeah.
saying this?
Fruit is saying that.
Fruit is saying that. Okay. Okay. Eat. Done. Okay. I'm just thinking, if you allow to me, can I write a parameterized constructor? Why? Because parameterized constructor, I can generate with the editor, right? Because I'm super lazy. Right click on it, show source, and here what?
Parameter.
Generate constructor using fields. Why I'm using this technique? Because if I write it, it will take time. See, I'm able to generate the parameterized constructor. Best practice. When you write a parameterized constructor, you can also write default constructor or no argument constructor. What it is called?
No argument constructor or default
No
constructor.
argument constructor, right? Because default is auto generated. And when you write the same thing, it is called no argument constructor. Hey guys, do you know two string method? I can
Yes.
generate the two string method also. Source and to generate two string method. What is the beauty of it? You see, two string method print attribute value in nice fashion. What I said, and what is the beauty of it? This method is implicitly called when you print the reference of the object. Sajna, do you understand the beauty of this method? This method is automatically called. That's correct. Called when we print reference of the object. Is clear? You got confused? If somebody would say, what is the specialty of two-string method? You would say this method is implicitly called, automatically called when you print the reference of the object. And what is the implementation of it? When you call this, when this method is called, it is going to print state of the object in nice fashion, right? In well formatted. That's it. You got it? So when you call this method, it will just print the FID, price, color, everything. That's it. Anybody have any question query? This is called attribute and all this all together constructor method, all this together called behavior. So how you are able to group attribute and behavior within a class using which keyword? Class.
That's
And this concept is called,
encapsulation.
tell me, after some time you'd say if I forget it, very bad. Because here you are not mugging it, right? Understand it, then you can explain all this thing in your simple words. Simple. Encapsulation is the easiest thing or is too tough concept? Who will tell me?
Looks like it's
It's
easy.
easy.
Easy. So encapsulation does two things. It group attributes and behavior all together within a block, which name is called class, fruit. Second, you make its attribute private so that nobody can access outside the class. Who is imposing this condition? Encapsulation. Anybody have any question query?
Why there is super,
And pardon,
why there is super keyword?
you don't like it? Delete it. Okay. See, super keyword is used to call superclass constructor. I told you the three use of it, right? Superclass constructor. You would say, sir, we don't have superclass. Then what is the use of it? I told you, right? Every class has a parent class which is invisible to you. That is object class. You know it? So this super keyword is calling constructor of which class?
Object class.
So do you need to extend it or it is understood?
Understood. We can leave it like that.
It is understood, right? No need to write it. If you want to keep it for your knowledge purpose, okay. Anybody have any question query regarding this class? Because this I'm going to use in my next programs. Anybody have any question query in this?
No, sir.
No?
No question.
Okay. See, this toString method I'm overriding. I'm changing the behavior of it because this method is already defined in which class? Object class. I can show you. This method is defined in which class? Object class. And I'm just changing the behavior of it. That's correct. I'm saying, hey, toString method, when you would be called, you should print fruit. FID equals to FID, price equals to price, color equals to color, and this bracket open and close in nice format. That's it. Hey, people, I'm going to make a program of it. People has set with fruit. I need to have main, and here I'm just making an object of fruit. This is right or not? And you can call the parameterized first constructor is fruit ID. Help me. Second, you guys are not helping me. Price and color. I just want to make it $5. And comma color is red. Actually, we can take one more attribute, right? Title. Then make more sense. What do you say?
Title.
Title. You see my style? Yep. Generate constructor. Done. And here you can regenerate the toString method. Show that title should also come to this. You see my speed?
Super.
Your answer should be not your speed. It's all about editor magic. Oh, I know. Apple. And done. So I have to just take 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, enough. And second fruit 20 and 10 and 30, 40, 50. Yeah. And I'm just taking half of it, right? It would be easy to recall. 20, 25. Color is yellow. You know yellow?
Yeah.
Mango.
Banana.
Then banana color is yellow. You eat yellow banana. Then orange.
Orange.
Orange color is
Blue.
sure, that's fine. Make it blue. Doesn't matter. And one more fruit, please. Grapes, guava, whatever. You guys eat all these fruits or not? Or you never eat this kind of fruits?
We don't like fruits.
Okay.
We like.
So done. Tell me, I'm what I am. I'm just making another fruit 6, and this 6. I'm just keeping everything same, right? So you tell me, fruit 2 and fruit 6 are exactly same or not?
Sir.
I'm going to store all this data in the set and see the magic. Set. I need your help. I don't know what it is imported over here. I'm saying, hey, set, you have to store fruit kind of data, not string. It's okay with you?
Yes.
That's true. And new HashSet. Why it's not coming?
The main editor is not
It
working.
should come. I don't know why it's not coming. This is my editor issue. Like this side also we have to write
Fruit.
fruit.
Can you teach
But
us
why it's
how
not? What I should teach?
to use IntelliJ?
Yeah. That's not a big deal, right? I can teach you IntelliJ also, right? Soon. Don't worry. IntelliJ and this editor does not make any difference. It is just car with different vendor. That's it. Fine. So sir, fruit. It is going to hold fruit, and I can add the fruit. Clear? Add fruit number 1. All this 2, 3, 4, 5. What you are expecting? You should be expecting when you are adding fruit 6, it won't be added, right? Let's print it. In order to print it, which loop I can use? For each loop. And you see like this data store. So when you print each fruit object, it will call its true string method or not? Answer to me.
Yes. Yes.
So let's run it, right? It will print all the data in beautiful format. Sajana, I can write fruit or I can write fruit.toString. Both are same? Yeah. Because when you are printing fruit, internally it is calling toString method. Can I run it? And see the output? Can you see this? First fruit, order is not maintained. You know it because you want to maintain the order. Somebody is saying, if you can do it, it would be great to track. Okay, let's do that. I maintain the order so that easily you can track it. You see 10, 20, 30, 40, 20. Oh my God, what happened? Duplicate element. Hello?
Yeah.
You should have started to cry. What happened? We are talking about set does not allow duplicate element. But what happened? As per the user, Sajana, problem. You guys are
Why?
not excited.
Why? Yes, yes, there is a problem, you see.
Problem. There's a problem. You say, hey, set, how dare you to allow duplicate element? Cheating. Set is saying it's not cheating. You are a small kid. You don't know the concept. Hmm?
Shade both clever, right?
Oh my God. So let me tell you why this happened. Actually, set internally works based on hash code. Why this happened? Since set what internally what does internally
What?
uses hash code. Are you following me? And I told you, you tell me fruit 2 and fruit 6 are different object or same object. You talk about programmer perspective. See, we have two perspectives, Sajana. User is saying this and this both are same, but programmer, this object
Different.
and this object both are different, even though content are same. Doesn't matter. I'm asking this question from two perspective. You tell me, programmer perspective and user perspective. From user perspective, when you show the output to anybody, this output and this output are duplicate. This is user perspective. But what about developer perspective? Fruit 2 and fruit 6 are different, right? So reason is why duplicate elements are allowed, because fruit 2 and fruit 6 has different hash code. That's why they are getting added in the set. So let me print the hash code and do hence proof. Hence proof of what? I am printing the hash code of fruit 2, Sajana, and then I'm printing the hash code of fruit 6. So tell me, both will come duplicate same or duplicate sorry are different?
Different.
Different. Why different? Because those are different objects. Let me show you. So who will tell me why both the elements are added even though they are duplicate as per the user perspective? Because their hash code was different.
Different.
You see? So what is the solution of this problem? Solution of this problem is when we have two different objects with same content, right? You just don't use hash code coming from the object. Right now I'm using hash code, set are using hash code which are coming from where? Since set internally uses hash code, and this hash code is coming from where? Coming from object class. So what you need to do? You have to modify the behavior of the hash code. How? You have to ensure if two different object has the same content, their hash code should be
Same.
same. You got the concept? So in order to do it, I will come to my class and I will take help from editor. Can you see this? source, and here we have a method generate hash code and equals method. Are you following me? So when you generate the hash code and equals method, you have to take all the attribute on the basis of you will say color, FID, price, and title. For two different objects are same, their hash code should be same. Generated. You see, it's generating very complex hash code and very complex equal method. I will discuss about it in next session, but you just generate it. So you tell me, your question may be, Nagendra, when you are generating the hash code, then why you are generating equals method? Reason I will let you know soon. Okay. So you should know when you are dealing with the object, right? And this object is going to be used in any collection, list, set, whatever. So when you override the hash code, you should override equals method also. I will tell you the reason. What? When we should override the hash code, you must override equals method. So you got a point? So what happened now? Sajna, if two objects are there, right? If FID, price, color, title are same for two different objects, their hash code will come same. And equals method will return the true because they are going to compare the same content, right? That's true. After that, my problem is solved or not? You see, now you this fruit 2 and fruit 6 won't be together. Only first will come, fruit 2 will come, fruit 6 won't be get added. Why? Because if you get the hash code, can you see the hash code of fruit 2 and fruit 6 are coming same? My problem is solved. So guys, tell me what was the problem? You would say, Nagendra, as we discussed already in the diagram, set internally uses hash code. So if two objects are there, if they are different, their hash code are different, even though they have same content, they would be added, right, by default. In order to prevent this problem, what is the rule? When we deal with the class, and this classes is going to be used in the set, right, and map, you must override hash code and equals method. Clear? You would say, oh my God, this is way too complex definition. It's okay. We can write simple definition also. It's okay. I am using auto generated method. How we have generated it? Any guess? You can right click on it, source, and you can click on hash code and equals method, and then include all the attribute, because I'm in order to ensure they are equal. I am considering on the basis of all the attribute or few attributes. All
All
attributes. Your requirement is two fruits are equal if their color and title are equal. That's fine. You can make the decision, right? Price doesn't matter, right? If so, two objects are equal. Who make the decision? You make the decision as per business requirement. Got it? Do you understand the concept of hash code and equals method?
Yes.
But only one question is open. When we are overriding the hash code, that is clear to me, right? But why we are overriding equals method also, right? That's your question. Okay. We will understand soon. Okay. Done. Now, next thing is, anybody have any question query on this? Or is too clear?
Clear.
Okay. Next thing which you have to discuss is why. When you search any element in the set, it take constant time. What is the open question? Why set takes constant time for which operation? For search, right? Like all the operation. If you search element, if you add element, if you delete element, right? Size for every element it takes, for all this operation, add, delete, size, right? It takes constant time. You need to know the reason. Tell me reason, right? Yes, you know.
Yes.
So how to perform a search operation, I can tell you. So I'm going to basically show you how you can perform search operation, and this search operation takes constant time. Clear? So here I want to search a fruit. Asset search fruit asset. Hmm? Basically, I want to teach you how to search a fruit. People, if you want to search the fruit in, you can come in the last. How you can search? You can say, hey fruit data store, do you have this fruit? Contents method is there. Which method? Contents. And which fruit you want to search in the bucket? Fruit 6 is there. Hello. Yeah. Fruit 6 is there, right? This fruit 2 and fruit 6 are same as per your implementation. If I search this fruit, it will come true or false. Think and let me know.
False.
You're not replying. Why false, man? As per our hash code and equals method, fruit 2 and fruit 6 are equal. If I'm searching this fruit, right, it won't be added. That's fine. Are you following me? Eh, I know that is not added. But if I'm searching it, did this kind of fruit is there or not? That's my question.
Yes.
Already we have done this implementation. So this object is not there, but we have object. We have object with this content. Already we have done with equals and hash code. Are you following me? So this should return true or false. Think and tell me from user perspective. You are not replying.
True.
It should be true. Why?
Because we
Because
have to.
yeah, because we have that fruit with that attribute. How we ensure it? Hash code. Because when you are searching, it uses hash code. Tell me hash code of this and hash code of this. Same or not?
Yes.
Same, right? Done. I'm going to run it and you will see true. Can you see this?
Yes.
So guys, anybody have any confusion or any question so far? Please, I would like to answer it. We- hash code. When you are searching, when you have fruit 2 in the bucket, but you are searching fruit 6, why it's found, why contains method is returning true? Because hash code of fruit 6 and hash code of fruit 2 are
Same.
same. Who has done this great job? Programmer.
All right.
By overriding hash code and equals method. Both, right? Still, I mean, not able to answer it. If I am overriding the hash code, then why equals method? That should be a question, right? Tell me.
Yes, yes.
Hmm?
Why?
Reason is there. Reason is there. See, there is a concept, right? If two object has, let me write. If two objects have same hash code, if two objects have same hash code, right? Then you cannot say they are same. Then we cannot blindly say, right? Maximum cases they are same, right? When two objects have same hash code, then we cannot say they are same. Why? Because two different objects can have same hash code. Oh my God, what I said, very confusing. Sometime, what I said, sometime, what? Two different object can have same hash code. Oh my God. Sometime two different objects can have same hash code. To tell me, sometime two different objects can have same two different object, right? Different content. They can have same hash code. So you can only rely on hash code to ensure they are same. No. If two objects are same having same hash code, then you can say they could be same, right? So after that, what we should use? Sajna, if two objects are same as per the hash code, then you should call their equals method. Yes or no? Hello. After this, if two objects are same, then we cannot say they are same, right? So what we should do in order to ensure they are same? After this, we should call. After this, we should call. Any guess? We should call equals method. You should do the content equality also. Why? Why? Because I know the concept. Then we should call equals method also for content equality. Hmm? Please reply.
So the dot contains returns the Boolean value, right? I think.
Yeah, true or false means this object which you want to search, it is there in the bucket. It is there in the container. It is there in the set. Okay. So tell me. Why I'm saying if two objects are same as per the hash code, their hash code are same, but but they cannot be same, right? You cannot say blindly, right? We cannot say they are same always, right? Let me complete it. Sometime can be same. Most of the time that will be same, right? But not always. Your question is again why? Because if two different objects can have, sometime two different objects can have same hash code. Do you understand this problem? This is called hash collision. Let me hence prove. Okay, it is called hash collision. Please, you need to really help me. This is called hash collision. So guys, why you cannot rely only on hash code? Because two different objects, sometimes they can have same hash code, but they are not equal as per the content. That's why we should override hash code and equals method both. But your question is, give me that situation where two different objects can have same hash code. Let me prove it. I'm going to prove it. What I'm going to prove it?
Same as code.
Two different object, two different object can have same hash code. Let me prove it. Same
I have a
hash
question.
code.
Can you manually assign a hash code to an object or not?
Can we assign manually? Manually, can you assign manually? Answer is yes, no. Answer is yes. Manually means already you have override it, right? That is manually. That you want to say? Can
Now,
you
what
change?
like so?
What is unique
No,
code?
manually, no. You cannot change it. The hash code will be always assigned to the object by hash code method. Once object is created, later you cannot change this hash code.
It has to be unique.
Okay. So can we change the object hash code once it is created?
No. Nope.
No, no. So let me show you how. But I forget it. How two different object can have same hash code. Okay. This is string object and name is, I don't know.
My bad.
I'm just thinking. Name is Bhai. Okay, done. And I'm going to print the hash code of it. Please help me to do my job. str.hashcode. Done. And let me run it. I'm just showing you two different objects can have same hash code. This. Please don't make me fool. Okay. And I'm creating an object of integer. Right. New integer. And whatever hash code is there.
Editor problem.
Not a problem. Actually, I'm
Okay.
running many screen on this.
Again,
That's
the
why it's saying, please stop the session. It's too much.
Yeah, I was gonna say that too.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Here you tell me this object and this is the object of integer and this is object of string. Both are different object or same object?
Different object.
Different object. And let's print the hash code of both. I'm printing a hash code of bhai, str, and hash code of integer. And see what value comes.
Why is that?
What is that? The parameter, that number.
No, parameters doesn't matter. You just focus on that I'm doing it, right? Sometimes this happen. I'm creating an object of integer. You cannot say why I'm using this value. This value could be anything. It is coming from the keyboard. Yes or no? You don't know. This value will come at runtime. Say yes.
Yes.
Runtime. So you cannot say you cannot take this value. I can take anything. Okay. Done. And when you run it, there is one object obj of integer type, and this is the object of string type. And if you run it and show it, hash code is coming same. So what I'm able to prove it? Two different object might have same hash code.
What if you put a
That
different runtime?
Different number one in different
that's
number.
fine. That's fine. You have to take the worst case situation. You tell me, hello. If I say, can you run for 10 kilometers, right? So you will talk about worst case situation or base case. You should always talk about worst case, right? Whatever situation is there, I can do this. Okay. You cannot talk about base case. Yes, you know.
Yes.
So similarly, somebody saying add some other number, then hash code will be different. That's fine. I know. You know that. you know, right? But here I'm talking about the worst case, right? Because at runtime, anybody can take any number, right? So what I said, you see my statement. I was writing something. My statement was two different objects might have same hash code. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yes. That's why if two objects are having same hash code, you cannot say they are equal, right? It means you cannot say
Yeah, equal.
they are
Equal.
equal. What you need to do? We need to do, we need to do content equality.
Okay.
Means equals method. Content equality. Guys, I think this is enough for today, okay?
Yes,
So let
Nagendra.
me stop my recording. I think we have done a lot of stuff. But here only I would say, if you really want to be a part of my session, just follow me blindly. Whatever I'm doing here, please do it. Otherwise, you cannot run at my pace.
No.
Okay, yes, sir. Can